Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add delete protection for any files or folders in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screen, so I have one file as well as one folder, right? So let me try to delete it firstly. So you can see here I'm going to click on delete. So both this file as well as the folder is being deletable, right? So how you can add a delete protection for the respective folder as well as for the respective file. So for this, what you can do is say, let us select the file firstly. Let me right mouse click on it, and now just click on this properties, and now you will see here one tab written security. Just click on it, and now here you can see option edit. Just click on it, and now just select your computer name, or you can select this third option also, the administrators, but the tricks will remain the same. So here I'm gonna select my computer name. So after selecting, you can see here at the bottom deny options. Just click on this. Now it will auto select all the options, and just click on apply. Now it will ask you, do you want to continue? Click on yes, click on OK again, click on OK. Now let us try to delete this file again. Now it's asking permission. Click on continue. So you can see you need a permission to perform this action. Let us keep on trying again. So you can delete. So similarly you can do the same method for the folder also, just by right mouse clicking, and just go to the security tab again, and click on this edit. Select your computer name or the administrator, whichever you like, and just select all this option, deny option. Click on apply, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK. Let us try to delete this folder now. Click on continue. So you can see, so this is the way how you can add a delete protections for any files and folders in Windows computer very easily. And if you want to make this folder as well as this file deletable, then you can just go back to the same option, and just click on this edit again. Select your respective computer name or the administrator where you have done the changes, and just disable all these options. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. Now let us try to delete this. So now you can see here it's deletable now. You can similarly do the same thing with the folder also. Just go to the security again, just click on edit. Select your computer name or the administrator where you have made changes. Just disable all this deny option. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK again. Now let us try to delete this folder. So you can see it's now being deletable. So this is the way how to add delete protection for any files or folders in Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.